And thank you so much for joining me. I'm your host, Eric, on Eric's Weather Forecast. If you have not subscribed to Eric's Weather Forecast, I would gladly appreciate it if you do so. So let's go ahead and get back to our forecast, our rainy forecast. I've only got until 3:15, and then I'll take a short break, and then I'll be back. Um, so actually, you can see that we do have more. We've got more rain in the forecast. Just one thing to quiet now. We start to see more rain that's going to be developing here, and you can see on the radar that we do have rain that's going to be moving in, and unfortunately we had a dry pattern for a while, but the rain is going to be returning, so some areas are going to be seeing that. Excuse me. Some areas are going to be seeing that. So the rainy weather is going to continue. So if you have your umbrellas, hold on to them because you're probably going to need them because you can see that the rain is starting to filter back in our metropolitan Detroit area. You can see it's coming in a different direction, so areas like Macomb, Oakland, and that we'll start to see this rain, hold on a second, returning in our forecast. I don't even know why. One moment, I gotta get this thing off. I don't know where it came from. One moment. There we go. Had to get a screen off of there. Sorry about that. So you can see that rain is starting to move back in, so hold on to the umbrellas. You're going to need them again. So even though we got a break from the rain, unfortunately there's going to be more, so you're going to need the umbrella again, unfortunately. And we will be talking about colder weather. We'll let you know how cold it's going to get. I haven't really gotten that far yet, but we will be talking about colder weather that will be moving in across the Midwest, and we'll tell you how cold it's going to get around here. Really haven't gotten that far yet. You can just see that the rain is starting to push back in, so yeah. So the areas that are basically seeing the rain right now are basically over in Macomb County. So if you live over in Romeo, Armada, Memphis, just about the same areas are going to be seeing rain once again. So hold on to the umbrella. You're going to need it because it's going to start raining anytime soon. And make sure you have a nice jacket, a nice warm jacket, because you're going to want something warm to wear when you step out the door. So anyway, we'll talk about the rest of the rainy forecast, but unfortunately we had several hours of dry conditions, but you can see it's going to start to filter back in again, and then we'll have more rain in the forecast. So the rain isn't over yet. We haven't seen the end of this rainy pattern, and we'll talk about the next several days coming up, and I'll let you know if we're going to see more of this action, and I'll let you know if there's going to be more active weather for us in southeast Michigan, and we'll we'll have to see. But I haven't seen any sunny days, but we'll check out the 7-day forecast and see if there's going to be any sunny days in our forecast and what the temperatures are going to be like. So it will be like fall like weather, not summer like weather, and we'll talk about those temperatures and what that's going to look like. So once again, Armada, Romeo, Richmond, New Baltimore, Macomb Township, Mount Clemens, and all of that, Sterling Heights. You can just see it's filtering back in. Southfield, Troy, Rochester, just about everybody is going to be seeing it, because you can see that it's starting to get a little bit more widespread. You can see it starting to get a little bit more active again. So we'll just let you know how long this rain is going to stick around in our forecast for today, and are there going to be more chances of rain in our forecast? We will let you know about that. So please come back and join me again at 4:30 for another live stream. If I'm not on at 4:30, I will be on at 5:30. So stay tuned for the very latest, and I will have the rest of your complete forecast during those times. So come back and join me again at 4:30 and again at 7 p.m. tonight for more weather coverage. And thank you so much for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. You guys have a good day. Remember, please subscribe, like, and we'll see you in a little while. Thank you.